Hey everyone, check out the Greatever Snorkeling Gear Set designed for adults who love swimming and diving. This combo includes a snorkel mask, dry snorkel, and fins, all carefully selected for flexibility, lightweight comfort, and breathability. It saves you time by bundling essential gear so you don't have to pick items separately. The set offers better mobility with a clear view mask and fins that help you swim efficiently without fatigue. Plus, it comes in popular and personalized colors to match your style perfectly. The dry snorkel prevents saltwater from entering, making your snorkeling experience more comfortable. Enjoy long, relaxing sessions exploring reefs and marine life with this thoughtfully combined gear. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.